Song called Guitar Man. I wrote this one maybe five years ago, and all my stuff you can find on I have Instagram and Spotify and all that stuff. Yeah, all right.
Guitar man from Wichita, he's got a Fender and those classic rock. And when we play there, I never want to stop. He's a guitar man, and it might be called. All the words to every song that he wrote, and when we used to say, hey, do da-da-dee, play me song like candy. Hey, do da-da-dee, play me song. Whoa. Sweet, hey, do da-da-dee, play me song, whoa, and it went like, whoa, he was a guitar man. Down the street, he wears Versace, the fancy shoes for his feet. And when he called me, my jaw nearly dropped. He's a guitar man, hope he don't break my heart. I knew all the words to every song that he wrote, and when we used to say, hey, hey, do da-da-dee, play me a song like candy. Hey, do da-da-dee, play me a song. Whoa, hey, do da-da-dee, play me a song. Something sticky sweet. Hey, do da-da-dee, play me a song.
Thank you. All right, this next song is called Homesick, and I wrote this song when I had just moved to Lubbock from New York about 6 years ago. Yeah, this is kind of like my love letter to my hometown. What?
What's your hometown?
Syracuse.
All right.
Yeah, so by Buffalo, by Canada, if you know where that is.
Very cold. Like a
Very
snow.
cold.
Very
Yes,
cold.
very cold. Yeah, very cold. Very snowy.
It's beautiful up there. It's beautiful.
Run away to springtime, run away, no goodbyes, ran away with the love and now I'm turning around. just feeds itself and I'm coming down. And all I crave is blue skies, orange lit snow goodbyes. When I get back home I'll find some coming down. And I'm just a little bit homesick, a little bit jealous, since she's coming around. I didn't think you would notice. It's so hard to keep focus and find something calming down. Run away with springtime, run away, no goodbyes, run away with the love they coming around. Fell in love with a steel horse, fell in love with street signs, fell in love with whiskey coming around. I'm homesick.
Thank you.